Wait! Before you watch my new video, please subscribe me first. Then you can continue to watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel. I'm Zara from Indonesia. I'm actually a fan of Morocco national team since the World Cup in 2022 because all football players in Morocco national team, they really influence people and show people around the world that Islam is really good. Islam is friendly. I'm really so happy and proud of them. But also now they influence people to do good things like charity, and now is blood donor. Alright. They are doing the blood donor. MashaAllah. Hakimi. And also the coach Walid. Okay. I think they really bring the good influence for us through the sport, through football. Wow, mashallah. Wow, I'm so happy that they are doing the blood donor for the victims of earthquake in Morocco. I feel so proud that I become a fan of Morocco national team because they really influence people about the good things. I hope all the football players of Morocco national team will be always in the good health. And I hope all Moroccan people that become the victims of the earthquake always be safe and also they will get well soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.